Hi, we are back with tennis elbow advanced exercises. I hope all of you are staying safe at home and wearing your mask. So let's start with the tennis elbow advanced exercises. The basic exercises we have already given in the last video. Lakshmi will continue showing the exercises. So all these exercises you are only going to try if your pain is completely cured, and now we are focusing on strengthening your elbow. Okay. So start with all the exercises which I have told you before. You can increase the weight, the amount of weight which you are using. So if you were using 1 kg, you can start using 2 or 3 kgs. Now this is with TheraBand. So what we will do is we will put it around the leg and then bring the hand up. Your elbow has to be straight. There will be a lot of pressure in your elbow and shoulder. Let it be there. Hold it there for 10 to 20 seconds, how much ever you can hold, and bring it down. Let it take place in all the 3 directions. So one is all the way up and the other one is slightly diagonal. Can you take it diagonal? Don't allow your wrist to bend. Your wrist has to be straight. Yes, yes. Hold it there for 10 seconds and bring it down and all the way to the side. In all the cases, your elbow has to be straight. There has to be pressure in your elbow as well. Okay, and bring it down. So you can do it 10 to 15 times and repeat it again maybe one more time. Okay. If you don't have a TheraBand, you can even use a resistance band which comes with the hold, so you can do it with that as well. The next exercises are weight bearing exercises. So we can start with wall push-ups. Let's start with wall push-ups. So for wall push-ups, you have to be shoulder length apart from the wall. Put your hands, hands has to be straight or rather slightly inward, and then bend your elbow, go all the way towards the wall and come back. Okay. So basically you are trying to put the weight on your elbow. Now when you are comfortable with this exercise is when you will go to the mat exercises. So now we have demonstrated to you the wall push-ups. The next, if you are comfortable, completely comfortable with wall push-ups, then come to the proper push-ups with knee down. Okay. So how is that? Come to high plank position. Okay. So your high plank position is this. Just keep your knee down. So very important is your hip should not be back. Your hip is completely front. So come to high plank position and just keep your knee down. Maybe cross it over. Your hands are directly down the shoulder. You go all the way down and you come all the way up. You go all the way down and you come all the way up. So this is knee down push-ups. Very important is your hip should not be up. Only when you are completely comfortable with knee down push-ups, you will try the complete push-ups with knee up, again in high plank position. But you will only try when you are completely comfortable with the knee down push-ups. The next is wrist flexor stretch. So you come to crawl position. Lakshmi, can you be in crawl position? Yes. And then take your hip back. So bring yourself in Vajrasana. Sit in this position and stretch it out for say 20 seconds. Hold this for 20 seconds and relax and come back. Okay, so come back to crawl again. Yes. The next exercises are basically weight bearing exercises. So let's put our weight, come to a crawl position with hands rotated inside. So your fingers are facing inside. And shift your weight on all the 4 directions. Okay. So your knee is slightly apart. Lakshmi, can you? Yes. Yes. Now shift your weight in all the directions. So come back, go front, go to the side. You can just keep on doing this for 2 to 3 minutes. Just shift your weight in all the directions. With the hands rotated inside and then take it out as well. So come to a normal crawl position and do the same thing again. Okay. Just shift your weight in all the direction. Yes. Medially and laterally. Yes. So you swing in all the direction. Next is beast hold. This is also a very good core exercise, but very good to strengthen your elbow since the whole weight comes to your end. So you come to crawl position. This is the best way to come to crawl. So what you do is your elbow distance apart between the hands and the legs, okay, and then keep your knee up. So come, your knee will be slightly up and hold this position for as much time as possible. Maybe 10 seconds, maybe 20 seconds. Repeat it as many times as possible, maybe 10 times. So next is high plank to elbow plank. So you can come crawl distance apart. Your hand has to be exactly down the wrist. So your shoulder and wrist in one straight line and your legs go back. Your pelvis is not up, your pelvis is not down. It's exactly. Your core is tight. You hold this weight. If you are comfortable, then go to elbow plank. So you go to elbow plank, okay, and then come to high plank and go to elbow plank. Come to high plank. Repeat it as many times. This is a very good strengthening exercise for your elbow. So basically for elbow strengthening, in the second form of tennis elbow or golfer's elbow, when your pain completely come down and you want to start these strengthening exercises, do the weight bearing exercises where you put your own weight on your elbow. So you can do all the exercises in which you bend your elbow and then straighten it. So once it gets strengthened, then I'm sure it won't come back again. So keep watching Arogya Physio Tips video. We are very thankful to Lakshmi to demonstrate all the exercises for us and bring it to you. So subscribe to our channel Arogya Physio Tips. Don't forget to ring the bell. Share our videos with others and help others and witness your fitness.